Go ahead, Ace.
Hey, do you want me to open your present? What is this?
Let him tear into it, Ace.
He's busy on that one. Oh! Santa got the same thing we got. Oh, I love that one. Okay, this thing. That's yours, buddy.
Anywhere!
Amy, look.
Whoa! I got presents! I get chocolate!
Yummers.
I get chocolate.
What do you got, Ace?
What have you got, Ace?
He brought it! Candy nectar! Santa, I've always wanted one candy nectar!
Candy dispenser.
I've always wanted to get one of these.
What is it, Ace?
But a teacup dog. I've always wanted to get this.
Wow.
Watch this, Mommy. Hey, I've always wanted this.
Book.
Super baby.
Super babies. Here, toss her over, Ace, and you can start on your stocking, and I'll open up the package while you're opening the rest of your stocking. Aw, puppy.
Maybe just leave it like that, actually. Because all the little pieces, maybe.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll open it because we've got so
Look
many
what
other things to open.
I got another webkin.
Is that a webkin?
Oh, then you can play webkins.
I got a webkin too.
We're gonna keep it close. There's lots of little bits. We'll open it up after, okay? Amy, pull it out. Look back this.
Whoa! There's stuff in this, Mommy. There's stuff in this. You got that? Yeah. Lots of stuff. It's got a ticket.
Tea set.
She said with a cart. Oh. Malia, that's fantastic. You asked for that, didn't you? You asked for stuff for your kitchen, and I guess that's kind of what he thought, hey? That would be great for your kitchen. Christmas microphone. Good bye, girl.
I think you can make that the one something. I think this is a book. I had to organize something for me. I had to write the wall. I had to put two at the microphone.
Shake and go. Whoa.
Whoa! Boom! A candy dispenser. No, put deeper then.
Careful, he's sick, eh? You might want to steer clear.
Barbie Kidder surprises. I got those too.
Kinder Surprise are banned in the States? Yeah, because they're not safe because of the small toys. But handguns aren't.
What is it? What is this?
Let's see.
Hey.
And it sprays here.
Bobby glitter spray.